Hi there, I'm Kaz with Classic BMW Z. Welcome. Today we're going to do a transmission fluid change on the E46. All right, let's get into it. Now I'm going to start loosening some of the bolts around it. All right, we got 2 bolts on this end and 1 kind of loose on this side. I might need a persuasion tool here to drop this. Yeah, it's been here since the factory. I'm going to use a little pry bar very gently. We don't want to bend anything. We just want to get it. There we go. Okay, looks like we're loose. I'm going to take one of these out. There we go. Let that drain for a little bit. That's one less chance of me taking another bath. Okay. And there's our filter from, I'm going to assume it's 2005. I'm sure there's a date somewhere. We'll check it out. But that fluid is very brown. So I'm assuming this is factory. This does not look like it has any nuts or anything. Nope, it comes right out. Oh yay, there's the oil coming out of the filter. Pulled this part off to show you guys. So here's a new gasket, and as you can see it has a rubber coating that's attached or at the edge of the metal. Well, the old gasket, it's no longer on it, it's still stuck in here. So we want to carefully, using a plastic tool. I have plastic razor blades, but I can't find them. We're going to have to clean all that up and try to get this out of here. Yep, let me pull the rest of this off and we'll clean it up. There it is. Aha. You probably want to try to avoid metal tools on here so you don't leave scratches that could lead to leaks. We have our baggie of new bolts that came with the kit. And we have our new filter. And we got our pan clean, the gasket zip tied on, and our magnets cleaned. And the inside of the pan is very clean. Very important to make sure there's no debris in there. I'm gonna dust it one more time before I put it in, just in case. But right now I wanna start cleaning up the mating edge here. Make sure you have a very clean, flat surface for the gasket. We're going to take a little bit of oil here and lube this gasket. We need this to pop into place. So I'm lubing the O-rings here. Okay. Okay. Do one more pass here with this one. We're going to grab our pan and make sure nothing fell in it and it's spotless. Make sure you're doing by hand first so you don't cross thread anything and run into problems. That way you're sure that they're in. Make your life easier when you start tightening stuff down. I can't remember what the torque spec is for these nuts, bolts, so I'll look that up in a minute here. My zip ties are out, all the bolts are in. We're starting to get, where's my plug? All right, I'm going to start the car and run it through some gears to get the fluid to distribute throughout the transmission, and then we'll come back once we get the temperature and top it off. Oh, what did I see here? Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. 2005.